we are going to teach about bird's nest. Here I done a bird's nest. Take any kind of box and put a circular hole for birds to come in and out. Arrange like this stickers. It'll be very nice to birds to live in this feed house. By humans, birds' eggs will not hatch by using the cell phones. By the signal rays, birds' egg will not hatch 50%. Now the scientists have found that how the birds are reducing day by day. So only this type of steps I'm taking for birds is one of the best steps we can do for birds. You build a house, then you can keep it where the birds can see this house. That's a nice place. You can see that. I'm going to fix the bird's house in there. Looks here. I want to tie this with the help of rope.